Friends, good day and greetings. This is ECE YouTube channel. This channel is for EEE ECE E&I students, also for TRB TNEB GATE ESE aspirants. Okay, so நம்ம வந்து எலக்ட்ரிக் சர்க்யூட்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம், அதோடைய ஃபார்முலாஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம், அதோடைய கீ பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வந்து நான் சொல்லிகிட்ருக்கேன். இதை பிடிச்சவங்க வந்து புதுசாக பார்க்குறவங்க எல்லாம் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், இந்த பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் பட்டன் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்போ தான் என்னுடைய நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும். சரிங்களா? ஸோ இப்போ வந்து நம்ம சீரீஸ் ரெசனன்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம், ஃபார்முலாஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இதில் சீரீஸ் ரெசனன்ஸ் RLC சீரீஸ் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ், இண்டக்டன்ஸ், கெப்பாசிட்டன்ஸ் சீரீஸில் இருக்குது. ஸோ இதில் இது இண்டக்டன்ஸ் L, கெப்பாசிட்டன்ஸ் C, இண்டக்டிவ் ரியாக்டன்ஸ் XL is 2πfL, XC is 1/2πfC. இந்த ரெண்டு வேல்யூ, when these two values are equal, the RLC series circuit will reach the series resonance. So here FR is the resonance frequency, that is 1/2π into root LC. The Q factor for series resonance circuit formula, Q is equal to 1/R into root of L/C. Okay, so next one, in the series resonance circuit, the current is maximum and the impedance is minimum at resonance. So this is a valid key point. Next one, the Q factor formula, another formula for Q factor is XL/R or XC/R. You can find out the Q factor using any of these two formulas. Okay, next one, so the current versus frequency curve. When the frequency we are increasing, the current value is increasing to the maximum, and then further, okay, after the resonance frequency it is getting decreased. Okay, so this point, this is lower cutoff frequency, this is upper cutoff frequency. This frequency, lower cutoff frequency, how we are obtaining means, we are taking a point 70.7% of current I. At this point you draw a line and draw a vertical line, and you get these 2 points, F1 and F2. Okay, so now at resonance, VL is equal to the supply voltage into the Q factor, and VC is equal to the supply voltage into Q. Okay, at resonance, this VL is equal to VC. At resonance in series circuit, VL is equal to VC. Okay, next one, the resonance frequency is equal to root of F1 into F2. In terms of omega R, if you are saying omega R is 2πf. Okay, omega is equal to 2πf. We know omega is equal to 2πf. Okay, omega R is equal to root of omega R1 into omega R2. So you remember this formula also. Next one, for series resonance, we all know for critical damping, already in last session I explained the damping factor is equal to R/2 into root of L/C. For critically damped system, this value will be equal to 1. For overdamped, is greater than 1. Underdamped is less than 1. Okay, so these are all main points. So this one is a very important curve. Okay, so this is 2πfL. Okay, 2πfL, XL, XC. Okay, XL, XC in this Y axis, and the frequency in X axis. So this is omega L curve, that is XC curve. Okay, 2πfC means this is 2πfL. This is XL curve, and this is XC curve. So this is 1/omega C. So this is the resonance frequency point. Okay, so now when the frequency value is getting increased and frequency is increased, okay, 2 pi f, so indirectly proportional. Frequency is increase, the XC value is getting decreased, it is decreasing manner when this is increasing. When XL value is, when frequency is increasing, the XL value is increasing in this manner. So this point is called as the resonance frequency point for series resonance circuit. Okay, so for below resonance frequency, which value is higher? The XC value is higher. Okay, so this is leading, and in after the resonance frequency, omega L value is higher, the XC value is lesser. So see this curve. So this XL is inductive reactance. Inductance means what? It is a lagging one. So this side below resonance frequency is leading, above resonance frequency it is lagging. Very important curve. Okay, just remember. Next, half hour frequency at 0.707 of maximum value is P is equal to, okay, at this point P max value will be power value will be equal to the maximum power by 2. Okay, so half hour frequency, how we are calculating? At 70.7% of the maximum. At the half power will be the P maximum by 2. Next one, very important, bandwidth formula for series resonance. Bandwidth is equal to R by L or RC. R by L use பண்ணி நம்ம calculate பண்ணலாம், or RC நம்ம use பண்ணலாம். And this bandwidth is equal to resonance frequency by the quality factor. Resonance frequency by the quality factor. Okay, so the bandwidth is indirectly proportional to selectivity. What is the selectivity? Selectivity is nothing but the Q factor only. Selectivity is nothing but the Q factor only. So you remember this. So the selectivity is Q factor. So the Q value, if you are cross multiply, and bandwidth will come down. What is bandwidth? Bandwidth is upper frequency limit minus lower frequency limit, F2 minus F1. So this is bandwidth. So from this formula only, bandwidth is here. Bandwidth is indirectly proportional to Q. If you cross multiply, Q is the Q factor or selectivity, that is equal to resonance frequency by bandwidth. So bandwidth is F2 minus F1. So the quality factor is indirectly proportional to the bandwidth. Very important. Or the selectivity is indirectly proportional to the bandwidth. Okay, so we'll continue in the next class, series resonance points. And if you like, okay, this session, please like and please make your comments, and please do subscribe. Okay, subscribe பண்ணுங்க, அப்பதான் வந்து எல்லாருக்கும் போய் சேரும். ஸோ இந்த ECE EEE YouTube channel is for EEE ECE EIE TNPSC TRB ESE GATE students கானது. ஓகே, அது இல்லாமல் வெற்றி மாறி வாராகின்னு ஒரு யூடியூப் சேனல், ஸ்பிரிச்சுவல் சேனல் ரன் பண்ணுறோம். அதையும் பாருங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். சரிங்களா? ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.